In the Middle East, Israel has agreed to open 3 humanitarian routes to allow more aid into Gaza. It comes amid growing pressure to protect civilians after 7 aid workers were killed on Monday, including Canadian Jacob Flickinger. CTV's Heather Wright spoke with his family.
For 11 years, Jacob Flickinger served in the Canadian Armed Forces, including a tour in Afghanistan. His parents say he had a passion for service and helping others, a passion that took him to Gaza early last month.
He knew the risk going into Gaza, but he told me, "Dad, people are starving to death, and I can maybe help a little."
Flickinger was one of the 7 aid workers hit by an Israeli airstrike as they were leaving a World Central Kitchen warehouse in Deir al-Balah. The 33-year-old leaves behind his parents, his partner, and an 18-month-old son.
We've lost a good human being, but at the same time, he went away with all his heart. He was doing his passion.
The strike has sparked worldwide condemnation and fresh questions about how Israel is carrying out its campaign in Gaza.
I have to directly take issue with what Prime Minister Netanyahu said yesterday when he said, well, this just happens in conflicts and in wartime. No, it doesn't just happen. And it shouldn't just happen.
In a tense conversation this afternoon, U.S. President Joe Biden told Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu an immediate ceasefire is necessary. He also appeared to condition future aid on demands for Israel to change course and implement steps to address civilian deaths, humanitarian suffering, and the safety of aid workers.
If we don't see the changes that we need to see, there'll be changes in our own policy.
Many Palestinian advocates say these demands should have been made months ago, with the death toll in Gaza now more than 30,000, according to the Gaza Health Ministry. For the family of Jacob Flickinger, they have a message for both sides.
Sure, it's easy. Stop the killing of aid workers, of innocent civilians on both sides. Start feeding the population. Release the hostages.
Israel has apologized for this strike, calling it a tragic mistake, but has yet to provide an explanation as to how it happened in the first place. Heather.
CTV's Heather Wright in Toronto.